What's up, taquitos? It's your infamous one, Taco, here with a food review. Mr. Beast Burger. For all of you who don't know who Mr. Beast is, he must not do social media. 86 million followers on YouTube. He's made a brand out of it with a pop-up restaurant. That's what scares me with pop-up restaurants is you send them the ingredients and the food, and the same cooks that cook Ruby Tuesday's food cooks Mr. Beast Burger. We're gonna do this unedited, one take. Let's get into this. We got the Mr. Beast seasoned fries. And we got Mr. Beast. Oh, it's double packed. And not to mention the packaging's pretty cool too if you think about it. Way to brand yourself. And we have the Mr. Beast Burger. That's the initial look. Alright, let's see here. Let's get a taste. Okay, first off, wow. Let me try again. We want to be fair. But I don't know if you see this. This bun is dry. It's covered in mayo. Oh my God. You can't taste the meat. Oh. It's like eating a Popeye's biscuit. Oh man, that's terrible. Let's try the fries. Okay. Fries saved a little bit. Fries are crispy. A little dry. Seasoned very well. The hamburger should be seasoned like the fries. Not impressed. I probably won't finish it. Yeah. I'm going to give Mr. Beast Burger, as far as fast food, hamburgers and fries go, a 5 out of 10. Not recommended. Very overrated. Till next time, it's your boy Taco out.